How games decide things. Cats explain if logic. Cat exists. Cat wakes up. Cat looks around. Cat feels hungry. Food exists. Food is on the floor. Cat thinks. If cat is hungry, cat eats food. Cat eats. Cat keeps eating. Cat becomes full. This is an if condition. A rule is checked. If the rule is true, action happens. When condition fails. Next day, cat wakes up. Food is on the floor. Cat thinks. If cat is hungry, cat eats food, but hunger is 0. Condition fails. Cat does not eat. Cat goes back to sleep. Priority conditions. Cat wakes up. Dog is far away. Cat hunger is high. Danger is low. Cat thinks. If hunger bigger than danger, cat eats. Cat eats. Next situation. Cat wakes up. Dog standing near food. Danger increased. Cat hunger is low. Danger is high. Cat thinks. If hunger bigger than danger, cat eats, but the hunger is lower than danger. Cat does not eat. Cat goes back to sleep. Same if logic, just comparing values. Nested if logic. Cat wakes up. Cat feels hungry. Dog is near food. Cat thinks. If cat is hungry, and then, if danger is low, cat eats. Else, cat waits. Cat is hungry. True, but the danger is high because dog. Danger is low. False. Cat waits. Later, dog walks away. Danger decreases. The condition checked again. The danger is now lower than hunger. Cat eats. Basically, one if is checked inside another if. Summary. Computers do not think. They only check conditions. If this happens, do that. If health is 0, game over. If button is pressed, open app. Every game mechanic, every app feature, every electronic decision, all of it starts with this logic. This is the foundation of everything you use. Subscribe to Cat so the cat eats.